Paano pumili ng sunscreen for your skin type? Hi, Dr. Lala Sanchez here, your aesthetic dermatologist and anti-aging medicine specialist. SPF 30 blocks 97% of the UVB rays, kaya perfect siya for everyday use. While SPF 50 blocks 98% ng UVB rays. Mas recommended ito for prolonged sun exposure or sensitive skin. Pero pansinin nyo, 1% lang yung difference. Pero kung madalas kang nasa labas or nasa araw, I suggest that you go SPF 50 or higher. Reapply every 2 hours para sure na protected ka. Hanapin ang broad spectrum sa label. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, protected ka sa UVA and UVB rays. UVB rays ang dahilan kung bakit tayo nagkaka-sunburn at nagkakos ng surface level skin damage. Habang ang UVA rays naman ay mas malalim ang effect. Nagkakos ito ng wrinkles, dark spots, and premature aging. Pareho din silang may risk sa pagkakaroon ng skin cancer. Mas better din kung may mataas ang PA rating, yung mga PA+++, kasi mas malakas ang UVA rays protection, mas maraming plus, mas better. And lastly, pick your sunscreen according to your skin type. For oily and acne-prone skin, look for oil-free, non-comedogenic, and mattifying formulas para mas iwas yung greasy look niya. For dry skin, look for sunscreens with hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, glycerin, and ceramides para extra hydration. Kung sensitive naman ang skin mo, I suggest the mineral sunscreen with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide ang safest para iwas irritation at redness. Para sa normal or combination skin, lightweight at broad spectrum sunscreen ang go-to. Balance ang hydration at oil control, perfect for everyday. Remember, the best sunscreen is the one you'll actually use. Stay protected, so lagi niyong gagamitin, hindi pwedeng itatago niyo lang po siya. Stay safe!